Ke Shillong Civil Hospital kala yang biang hapadeng kajing sya keno kajing sya bishar benia adin balami kajing sya keno bela ken sting yewi kena skul badang kat news Snem karta. Kene kajing ja kelamara kajing kelih lor kerukom terekam kajing syakri hakne ke hospital sarkar. Kena skul ibu pulih ke kelas 11 bat ibadin seorang kam haka bala keno bala syu i klem dayo kajing sumar ke bapaka kombalai jingkynthoh. Wala lepen poi hospital hapadeng kajing stom ke bajur. Bami syakmar ban ajing syah lor kani menteri ketenat kokot kakya U Bah Wailadmiki Shillong ula kentat gijing keno badong bagi long ke babakla bat ke baklem nongrim. Menteri ula Pynshai bahadin balayo ke kaipot nak director bat bade in charge hospital lalap bag hospital ke doni ki record ki note jeng ki doktor bat ki kod dawai ki penjisha bala bishar bat sumar inong pangti kena nadok bila poi. Hadin bulawan penkit ina ke waipat ke hospital ki doktor ki bishar bat lap bai nong pang idan hapadeng ki jinglong ke babit babiang. Menteri ula kentur wi kipat ba ban ampen priang iki kubor ki baklam don ke jing pensisha. Ulaban ba ke jing pensier klam kanong rem kala ban pen kelumar ke jing syania upat ba ki nong tre ka kot kakya ki betrish dom ban syakri haki hospital sarkar.
That informing that one a person from Sorkham was left unattended. So I myself, I have called the director and inquired, and even the civil hospital Shillong, and then I have spoke the in charge over there. But I'd like to inform to the public, to the general public of the state, that it was not like that. The doctor came and inspected and then checked on her, and then she was at and as you know from the report itself that she was came from the other hospital. And then when she came there, there was some concern, and then they check on her, and then later on they find it is she is stable, and then the doctor also came to check her. Like it is not like what it is written circulated on the news that she was left unattended. We have the record, we have the doctor records on record that the doctor came and inspected her.